Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today, I'm showing you guys how I did this colorful reindeer sweater nail art. First thing that I'm doing is I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. Then, 2 coats of white nail polish. Then, I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails for an easy cleanup. Now, I'm using this design. Now, I'm filling it in with colors. Then I did 4 more. Then I set it all aside to dry. Now it's time to apply a fast drying top coat, leaving it to dry and making the surface a bit sticky. Then I'm stamping the design. Now here are all of my nails with the stamped design. Then let's do the cleanup. After all of the cleanup, I'm applying a thick layer of top coat. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe! Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!